Hi guys, we're back, Spanish this time. So today I decided to talk to you about el acento ortográfico y la tilde, which means the accentuation and the accent mark. So if you know, all words are stressed in a specific syllable. For instance, the word beautiful in English, it's stressed on the second syllable before the end. So it's beautiful. It's not stressed like beautiful or beautiful. So in English, there is only phonetic accentuation, which means that we only stress the syllable phonetically. We don't write the accent mark. However, in Spanish, sometimes we must write the accent mark. And this is a question we need to answer. When do we write the accent mark? And I would like to inform you that this is an issue that confuses even advanced students who don't pay attention to the rules of accentuation, and this may be a problem for them. It is very often a problem for them. So, in order to explain in when we write the accent mark in Spanish, the first thing we need to do is to explain what are las palabras oxítonas, las palabras paroxítonas y las palabras proparoxítonas, which means oxytone words, paroxytone words, and proparoxytone words. I don't know if you are familiar with these words and terms in English, but we're going to explain in any case, just to inform you that these are words that come straightly from Greek, oxítonos, paroxítonos, que proparoxítonos, right? So the oxytone words are those with the stress on the last syllable. For example, here we have the word corazón, right? We see that there are three syllables, corazón, but phonetically, the sound falls on the last syllable, corazón. The same happens with animal, that again, there are three syllables, animal, but phonetically, the stressed syllable is the last syllable, animal, here. So oxytone words are those that are stressed on the last syllable. Similarly, paroxytone words are those with the stress on the second syllable from the end. So, for instance, the word fácil, which has two syllables, fácil, is stressed on the second syllable from the end. Fácil. It's not fácil, it's fácil. So it's a paroxytone word. The same goes with débil, weak. That again, there are two syllables here, débil, and the phonetic sound is stressed on the second syllable from the end, débil. And last but not least, we have the proparoxytone words, right? Which are the words which are stressed on the third syllable from the end. So here, for example, we have the word fantástico, which is a word that is comprised of fantástico, four syllables. But we see that the phonetic accentuation falls here on the third syllable from the end. It's fantástico. The same goes with teléfono, teléfono. The phonetic sound falls on the third syllable from the end. So this word is a proparoxytone word. So to conclude, oxytone words are those that are stressed on the last syllable. Proparoxytone words are those that are stressed on the second syllable from the end. And proparoxytone words are those that are stressed on the third syllable from the end. Even if they are comprised of more than 3 syllables, like fantastico or telefono, that are comprised of 4 syllables. However, the third syllable before the end is stressed. So keeping that in mind, now we can explain when we write la tilde, the accent mark, in Spanish words. So paroxytone words, those that are stressed on the third syllable before the end, are always marked with an accent. Las palabras paroxítonas siempre llevan tilde. Por ejemplo, la palabra rápido, ¿sí? That has 3 syllables, and because the phonetic accentuation falls on the third syllable before the end, rápido, I must write the accent, la tilde, right? The same goes with this very long word, informática, that has 5 syllables. However, the sound falls on the third syllable before the end. Informática. So I must write the accent. So I think that proparoxytone words are the easiest as far as the accent mark is concerned. If we get to the oxytone words, which means the words that are stressed on the last syllable, right? They are marked with an accent only when they finish in a vowel, café. Do you see the vowel? Oxytone, it's stressed on the last syllable, it finishes in a vowel, café. So I must write the accent mark, right? Or when they finish in N, so like montón, that is a pile of things, montón. It's an oxytone word, it finishes in N, so I must write the accent mark. So, or the words that finish in S, oxytone words that finish in S, como inglés, that is an oxytone word, it's accentuated on the third syllable, on the last syllable, excuse me, and it finishes in S. So, oxytone words that finish in vowel, en vocal, N o S llevan tilde, which means that we must write the accent mark. And last but not least, the paroxytone words. The paroxytone words, remember, are those that are stressed on the syllable before the last syllable, the second before the end. So, las palabras paroxítonas llevan tilde cuando terminan en consonante que no sea N o S, which means that if a paroxytone word finishes in any consonant that is not N or S, so the opposite of the oxytone words, I must write the accent mark. For instance, here I have the word árbol, the tree, right? We see that it finishes in consonant, L, that is not N or S. Por eso, this is why I must write the accent mark. The same goes here with the word ángel, angel. It finishes in L again, which is a consonant. It's paroxytone, so I must write the accent. Azúcar, sugar. This word has 3 syllables, but phonetically, I stress the second syllable before the end. Azúcar. So it's a paroxytone word. It finishes in R, which is a consonant that is not N or S. So I must write the accent mark. Be careful, however, because there are some words that are similar in sound and or the same, and in order to differentiate them, to say which one is which, I have to write the accent mark to differentiate. For example, there is the word el, que lleva tilde, that has the accent mark, and it means he. So, es un pronombre personal, it's a personal pronoun. for example, él, he, es mi padre. Él, he, is my father. Él es mi padre. But there is also another él without the accent mark, sin la tilde, which means de. For example, el coche es mío. El, which means the car is mine. El coche es mío. A similar occasion is that of tú with the accent mark and tú without the accent mark. Tú, once more, is un pronombre personal, a personal pronoun, and it means you. So, tú eres mi amigo. You are my friend. See? But without the accent mark, tú is a possessive adjective. It means your. For example, like Al Pacino said, mi casa es tu casa. Tu casa, which means your house. Mi casa es tu casa. My house is your house. So, ladies and gentlemen, I hope you liked my video and I hope you find it useful. So, bye for now. Up to the next time. Thank you very much. Bye-bye. Adios.